don't have a ton of battery in this, so I'm gonna pull this out, get a quick drink in it, get some more water, get a photo and go. Whew, shit. Can't stand up that fast. That's good. Nice and cold. Alright. Let me top this off real fast. I want to try to avoid sediment, but it is what it is. Not nearly enough. There we go. That should do. All right. Cool. It's fucking delicious. All right, photo and then go.